Lesson 8.1.11, Tearing It Up, Angle Sums and Triangles. If I know two of the angle measures in a triangle, I can find the third angle measure. Okay, we're on page 48 in your workbook. This is one of my favorite lessons. This is amazing to me every time. And what we're learning is if you know two angle measures in a triangle, angle measures in a triangle, you can find the third angle measure. Let's take a look at why that is. I'm going to read through this. If I have a 180-degree angle, here's the vertex, here's the one side of the angle, here's the other side of the angle. It's called a straight angle because when it is made with two rays, those rays point in opposite directions and form a line. So that angle is 180 degrees. And I'm going to show you that if we experiment a little bit with the angles in a triangle, we find that if I add all three angle measures together, that triangle forms a line. The angles in a triangle add up to that 180-degree line. I'm going to show you how this works. We did this in class. And let's say I have this triangle, and this will work with any triangle. We can mark the angles, use color, whatever, to show corresponding angles in these diagrams. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tear off these three angles and then just rearrange them so that they're all next to each other. And no matter what triangle you use, they always form a line. So let me show you this. So I'm just going to tear off each of these three angles in this triangle. And I'm just going to position them all together so that all of those corners, all of those vertices are touching. Did this on transparent paper. I'm hoping this is going to work. Let me just pick this up here. All right, I've tried to arrange it so that all three of the vertices are right at the same spot, and it forms a straight line. So this angle plus this angle plus this angle, these were all from the original triangle, are always going to form a 180-degree line. And that's powerful information. I'm just going to grab some highlighters and show what exactly happened here. This angle is the same as this one. This pink angle on top got rearranged here. And the green angle on the left side fit in right there. And the three of them together form 180 degrees. I think that's pretty cool. Since I know that all three of these angles have to form 180 degrees, I can use that to find any missing angle measure. Because I know that this angle plus this angle plus this angle have to add up to 180 degrees. I'm just going to write it as an equation. You can think of it however you want, but I have 23 degrees, 45 degrees, and then this mystery value. When I don't know a value, I just give it a nickname. I'm going to call it X. But whatever it is, it's the third degree that adds up to 180. So to find it, I just need to add these two that I know. That gets me to 68 degrees plus something is equal to 180. And to find that missing value, I just need to take 180 and subtract the sum of the two that I know. And that's going to give me 112 degrees. So I just added up the two I knew, subtracted it from 180, and that gave me the missing angle measure. The missing angle measure equals 112 degrees. Pretty cool. So just to recap, how can we use the measures of two angles in a triangle to find the third one? Well, add together the two you know. Add together the two angles you know. Then subtract from 180 to find that third angle. So that's the skill that you're going to be using if you have two angle measures in a triangle and you're trying to find the measure of the third. Enjoy your homework.